Considering a hair transplant? Had one before? Are you a hair transplant professional? HairTransplantSociety.com is for you. We're connecting patients with each other to share experiences, connecting patients with clinics and doctors, and connecting clinics with employees. Join today.
Hi there, here we are with our patient John. John came back today after 4 years of having one MaxHarvest procedure, and he's here today to do some more work. How was the results for your last procedure?
Great, very happy with the results, yeah. I've gotten a lot of favorable comments about the results, so I'm very pleased.
Awesome. Would you say it changes you in any way?
It just makes me more confident to look in the mirror.
Confidence.
Yeah.
That's what I hear all the time. The patients get a lot more confidence when they get their hair back. Now, what brings you in today?
Well, I've kind of got a bald spot on the back, and I'm going to see if I can do something about that. Maybe thicken up the top of my head or something like that.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So when we do the MaxHarvest hair transplant procedure, what we'll do is we'll start up front and we'll reframe the face, where we put a nice, soft, natural looking hairline that blends in with the patient's existing hair. And we start from that front point and we build evenly and go as far back as we can go. Generally, we can get to around the mid-scalp. So what John had mentioned, he's here today to do some work in the back, which is typical for a second procedure, where we take advantage of filling in the density in the crown. And then a lot of times some of the guys might have us fine-tune or fill in the front. Excellent. And what would you say to somebody who is thinking about doing this?
Definitely go for it. I highly recommend it. No question about it. So I'm very pleased.
Excellent. Thank you very much. I appreciate you doing this video for us.
You're welcome.
We'll do another great job for you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so now I'm just going to show the work off. I'm going to just kind of have you tuck your head down for a second. We're just going to take a comb, go right through what we did. Looks great. And I'm just going to have you kind of face up a little bit. I'm just going to kind of show the camera. So we just went through, recreated a nice, soft, natural looking hairline the entire way around. Completely reframed it. So it blends into the existing hairs over here on the side so it looks natural. And as far as the suture line goes, see it. Wow, feel great. Can't find it. I mean, this, if you could see this, it'd be right there on top there. But just amazing. Feel just amazing. Right there it is. That's the suture line right there. And turn it all the way around. Perfect here. You healed just perfect. Perfect. You did great, man. You did a great job. Josh, is there anything you'd like to add?
No, I just think you covered it very well. Thank you.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.